Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bilco part number RPRS32. This is what they call a shock absorber, and this item is found in their SV series roof hatches, and the role of the shock absorber is the SV series is equipped with a series of lifting mechanisms, while compression springs. The compression springs enclosed in the telescoping tubes open the roof hatch cover automatically against a 10 psf snow wind load when released. Automatic hold open arms lock the cover in the open position. The cover is supplied, and I'm reading from the, obviously, from the cut sheet linked to down below. Cover is supplied with a shock absorber to ensure a controlled rate of opening. So without this, you pull the handle, and that 10 pounds per square foot, if you've got 8 square feet, it's a lot of upward movement. So we'll be mindful of why a shock absorber is important. This is the unit that they tell me is used on that SV series, and this video is to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. If we are unsure at all as to what's needed for the unit itself in terms of the proper shock absorber or lifting mechanism for that matter, the best thing to do is to locate the serial number on the sidewall of the unit and forward that to us, because we can contact the factory and ask for a bill of materials of that serial number, and then we'll know precisely what shock absorber would have been included on your unit. Now, having said that, let's go over some dimensional properties. First of all, the diameter of you've got the fixed end, which I believe is going to go towards the lid, I believe. You've got the telescoping end, which I would guess is going to go to the sidewall. And outside, and this weighs about 5.9 pounds with its mounting brackets, which I'll show you in a moment. The diameter of the unit itself, 2.139. 2.139 is the diameter. Overall length, and I'm going to place it here on my desktop so I can do it a little more accurately. And overall length is about 15 3/8. From this end to this end, about 15 3/8. And you can see that those mounting points are not straight with each other, although obviously that's just going to be set the way you set it. They're supposed to be straight with each other. When they come out of the package, it'll just be a matter of rotating that. Okay. A couple of other dimensions just to help. The inside dimension of this bushing, 0.503, 0.503. Overall length, or width I should say, 1.614. 1.614 is this dimension. Then we've got a couple of zinc dichromate brackets. It's obviously going to get you to the sidewall and then to your lid. These are the same bracket all together. Steel, zinc dichromate, dimensional properties, overall width, about 2 1/8, overall projection, about 2 3/8, overall height, about 2 1/4. Then you're going to get your 2 pins with the cotter pin retainers, and then you're going to get your fasteners to connect to the sidewall and then to the underside of the lid. Okay, we don't sell a lot of shock absorbers, and I would think that's just because you don't see many SV units in comparison to the typical sort of other units that are available. there is a horizontal line of navigation above this video that is what we call breadcrumbs. It's navigation, where you can click on parts and then refine the results and see all of the Bilco parts that we have for their roof hatches. And again, if there's any guesswork as to what you need, start with photographs and send those to us. And what we really want, if it's present, and it almost always is that serial number. They're on a label. Every time that we see them, they're on a label that will say Bilco and the serial number. And the only times those are gone is when the years, and in fact decades of use, etc., has caused that record of the serial number and the manufacturer's name to just fatigue, fail, and disappear over the years. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bilco products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Bilco RPRS32 shock absorber or any other Bilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.